Hi, this is the Orderflows Trade Review for Wednesday, March 30th, 2016. My name is Michael Baltos. I'm the founder of Orderflows.com. First, a brief disclaimer. This presentation is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered a solicitation to buy or sell a futures contract or make any other type of investment decision. Futures trading contains substantial risk and is not for every investor. An investor could potentially lose all or more than the initial investment. Risk capital is money that can be lost without jeopardizing one's financial security or lifestyle. Only risk capital should be used for trading, and only those with sufficient risk capital should consider trading. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Okay, so let me just talk about the trade I took this morning. It was a pretty quiet session early on, especially after the cash open. But what I thought was interesting was you started to see some big size going through, and I picked up at just after 8:39. I picked up this sign, this big buying imbalance here, 3,131. You know, even the offers behind it, you got 3,200, 3,215, 262513. You know, seeing that's a number that I like. You know, I often talk about having numbers that you like. I like above 2,500. So I got long at 2059, and you know, the trade never went against me. It just kept going up, up, up. We had our high of the day. We were approaching at 61.5, and you know, normally I'm looking at about 2 points to 3 points out of a 5-range S&P chart, but you know, I was curious to see if we're going to get up through the high, if there's going to be any buying continuing, if there's going to be some stops or not. We got up there, and it was just met with a lot of selling, some strong offers up there. You know, eventually I got out at 62.5, but I got out at 62.5 because, you know, I saw the volume that was trading up here, 4,000, 5,000, 9,000. Or sorry, 4,000, 8,000, 8,500. You know, there's supply up there. There's just people happy to sell it pretty much all day long up there, or at least all morning long. That, you know, I might as well just get out now rather than try and fight it. The market did come off, and you know, later in the day we went back up to those levels. But you know, for the time being, you know, hey, it's you know, I'm long at 59, out at 2.5. It's a nice trade, 3.5 points. That was the only trade I took most of the morning. It wasn't necessarily a day I was so keen on trading, but you know, when I saw that size come in, you know, that big buying imbalance, you know, that's what keyed me on to the trade, and you know, made me go on and get long. So normally I'm not looking to be buying it going into the high, and you know, when I saw that there was some good volume up there, sort of capping the move, you know, I just decided to get out. Okay, so you know, thank you for watching this short video. To learn more about trading with order flow and the software that I used in this video, be sure to visit my website, www.orderflows.com. Thank you.